hungry.
Well, you know what? It's a good thing because I'm going to show you guys how to make
McDonald's.
That's right. I'm going to show you how to
Why is
make.
it impossible?
We're going to make McDonald's in the microwave.
That's impossible. We can't do that.
It's not impossible.
Yes,
I
it
did
is.
this years and years ago. Do you believe me?
Not
Trust me.
possible. No.
It is possible. Trust me. I was a chef. I went to school, and the first thing they taught us in chef school, because they knew we were all starving students, how to make McDonald's in a microwave. Because none of us had any money. So, with just things you can find around the house, and Daddy's secret ingredients.
All right, guys, let's get
All
cooking.
right, let's get to it. Ready? Okay. So, let's start. Jersey.
Wait
Ready?
a second. Is
Got some Cheerios in there.
fried?
Take your, yeah, there you go. Got some Cheerios in there. Okay, good, awesome. Remy, not quite as much as that one, a little less. Hang on, let me take it. There you go. Let's get it. Wow, remember. Oh, all right.
Hey, hot sauce.
Hot sauce, sure, go ahead. Okay. That's it, okay. You can do that one. Whoa, okay, good. Whoa, oh my God. Ready, Jersey? Okay, we don't want too much. This is the tough part. That's just perfect, okay? Now we put all of our ingredients to the side we've used. We don't want to do it twice, because then it just won't work. It's like magic. Okay. Peanut butter, that's right. Half a spoonful. Okay, that's good. Jersey, half a spoonful.
No!
Oh no, lick it off your finger. Lick it off, lick it. Okay, there you go.
It's just peanut butter. What peanut butter?
Okay, there you go. Okay, that's the peanut butter. Everybody, throw in 9 almonds. Perfect. All right, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Didn't work. All right, now, everybody, cream cheese.
Yummy. Can I have
That
a
much.
bagel?
Okay. We're making McDonald's
You're gonna have a happy
in the microwave.
meal.
Yep,
You're gonna have
perfect.
a happy meal.
I'm so hungry. I will be my
Well,
plate.
it's a good thing we're making McDonald's in the microwave then, isn't it? If you're so
No,
hungry.
I really wanted my plate.
Oh.
Whoa.
Well, we'll make sure we get that with it as well. So, everybody count out 7 veggie fries.
Okay.
Don't too many. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You can eat that one.
7.
Okay. Okay? Alright, now, getting down to the last few ingredients. Okay, so, I'll do this, because this is a special little trick to this. It's the glug glug. That's the amount. Everyone say it with me. Ready? Actually, everyone just listen real loud. Listen loud. Listen.
Glug glug.
Okay, ready? Glug, glug, glug. There you go. Oh, I think it'll be fun. Now, pickles.
No.
Okay, you see it, grab 4 pickles. Throw it in.
1, 2, 3. Oh, 2.
Yep, that's 2, Jersey. Yep.
1, 2.
And then 2 more. Okay, now, this is what we got in chef school. This is the magic. This is like the cinnamon for elves.
Have you made
This
it?
is the special.
I know.
Oh! Smell.
No.
Alright, fine. Nothing for you. But I'm going to put this around in.
Have you made a lot of McDonald's because it's just...
Well, exactly. You see, I can tell you, I have experience. You guys don't believe me.
I think you did.
Okay, alright, start stirring. Stir it up. Oh, yay.
I went like crazy.
Okay, you did great. Okay, yours is ready.
Mine ready? smell test afterwards.
Okay.
What's a smell test?
It smells like McDonald's.
Does it smell like McDonald's?
Doesn't it? Already smells like it. Okay, Jersey, here.
Maybe when we put it in the microwave,
Okay,
it'll
grab your bowl.
like McDonald's.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take the bowls to the trailer. Okay, Jersey, go get out your bathing suit. We'll go put this in the microwave
Out.
and meet us in the trailer.
Like out.
Yeah, change and back in your clothes, and then meet us in the trailer, and we're gonna see what comes out of the microwave. Thanks. I'll see you. Bye. This one is the
I
kitchen.
didn't want to get out of my bathing suit.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right, so here we are in the Gull trailer. We are making McDonald's in a microwave, but you don't believe it can happen, do you? Why is that your belief?
Because nobody has ever made McDonald's except the people that has made McDonald's at the McDonald's store.
Right, but you didn't go to school with me. And we learned special things.
I wasn't even born.
Sure. Make it crack at my age. Fine. You'll see.
Daddy, this is not gonna work.
What are you talking about? I've been doing this for years. It'll work. Trust me. Are you ready?
No.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. McDonald's!
What?
It's McDonald's! Yay! Look what we got. Happy Meal for you. And a Happy Meal for you. Yummy. And one for JP. So, now it's time to make the Big Mac cheeseburger, couple medium fries. Oh,
Which is not gonna come out as McDonald's because it's not correct.
watch the magic. Now, special recipe for Mommy and Daddy's food. Because Daddy's having a Big Mac, Mommy's having a cheeseburger, some French fries. Are you ready?
No. It's not gonna work. This might have worked, but I don't think that was gonna work.
3,
Fine, go
2.
right ahead.
1. Boom!
This is not real.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, it's
Oh,
not
yeah?
real.
Come here.
If I smell it and it
Take a
smells
look
exactly like McDonald's, then it's McDonald's.
Huh? Huh?
Okay, it's McDonald's.
Everyone out there, take a look. Look at that. McDonald's, homemade in a microwave. Yeah. All right, guys. Now let's open up our McDonald's food that we just made from scratch at home in the microwave. JP, look at that. No.
But
No.
the question is it actually going to work? Because
Oh.
the front might look like the McDonald's, but inside.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
It worked.
What is that? What is that? Oh, French fries. What else you got in there? Sugar plum. Oh, one more French
You
fries.
got French fries too? You made French fries. Yeah, you made French fries.
I made French
You
fries.
made a
But what else did I make? I also made.
You made a toy.
You made a
made-
Super Mario toy.
I also made a cheeseburger for Mom.
What we
Thank you.
I also want big fries.
And Daddy's gonna have the Big Mac. And
I also got napkins.
sorry, man.
Oh,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
full service.
I need hot sauce. Okay, now.
No, it's not hot sauce.
That's honey.
You don't have to eat the honey. Daddy just made extra in case, just in case.
I really like these.
Well, I like them, and I might put them in dip my French fries in them.
Okay, now for the moment, which toy did I get?
Which toy did you?
Wait, done. Dun, dun, dun. We got the same one! Wait. I don't know where it is because I can't see it.
Open it up.
You guys made chicken.
Chicken nuggets!
Daddy made McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Chocolate milk with the French fry. It tastes good. Fine.
What tastes good, Jersey?
Chocolate milk with a French fry.
Okay, we should all thank Daddy for this homemade McDonald's.
Thank you, Daddy.
No, You guys are so welcome. See, it wasn't a completely wasted education of going to chef school.
That's how you make McDonald's.
That's a wrap.
What?
Thanks for watching.
Make sure you give us a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yahtzee time.
Smell.
I don't want to smell it.
Come on,
That's
smell it, smell it.
disgusting. Ew.